Public sensitization on dangers of drug abuse is key to winning the war. Some movie practitioners who came together to sensitize the public on this noted that rather than blame the government, Nigerians should be in the vanguard against this trend. TVC News correspondent Theophilus Ilama reports.
According to the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes, 14.4% of Nigerians are presently engaged in drug abuse. 27.7% of the 14.4% of those concerned were said to be youths. This portends a negative trend to the future of the country. The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency has been on the vanguard against this trend. As such, several people have been apprehended. It's on this note that filmmakers in Nigeria have risen to the occasion and have worked on a documentary to sensitize the people.
I would want to say it has to do with foundation. When we say foundation, of course, we're talking parental, from the home, from the family, which is the first nucleus. And parents are getting extremely busy these days. Hardly have time for the children. The hustle is big. People barely find time to talk to the children.
Now it is a collective, it must be a collective responsibility for us to be able to take, because even the families, right, they will point back at the environment. No family exists in vacuum. They exist in an environment.
The documentary is based on stories of people who have been involved in drug abuse but have come out to speak up against the menace. Practitioners here have the view that more should be done to put the issue to rest.
First, in getting sure that teachers are trained, the experts are trained to go to different schools, even the youth corpus are trained when they are in orientation camp to go talk to children and emphasize the need to stay off drugs.
If you let drug abuse ravage the society, practically everything that you want to plan, even from the economic planning to political and societal arrangements, everything becomes distorted.
Drug abuse is something that's picking up faster than we think it is. It's getting more common. We're seeing it happen everywhere. Schools, offices, even homes. Some families, parents even smoke and drink in their houses. So I'm really happy that the documentary is aiming to solve these issues.
But many here say a lot more needs to be done to get the message to the grassroots, whose abuse of drugs and other dangerous substances through self-medication is a lifestyle. Theophilus Ilama, TVC News, Lagos.